everyone, Lihle again. Now on this season we're looking at the electrical components in the car because they play a huge role in, of course, starting the car and make sure that it keeps on moving. Now today we're looking, of course, at a very integral part in the starting process, and that is the ignition coil. And to help clear everything up for me today, I have a seasoned mechanic by the name of Charles, and he's here to help me. How are you today, Charles?
Hi Lihle, I'm fine, thanks, and you?
I'm very good, thank you. What is the job of the ignition coil?
Okay. Ignition coil's responsibility is to transfer 12 volts from the battery, convert it into high voltage in order to generate spark inside the combustion chamber, thereby igniting an air-fuel mixture, getting your engine running. Here we have an individual coil, which this vehicle does use. There is a couple of different types of coils. If you do have an issue, you can go to a Goldwagen store with your vehicle's VIN number and they can tell you exactly which coil your vehicle does use.
So maybe how can I tell before I go to Goldwagen that there is a problem?
You find that when you start your vehicle, you'd either have an engine light on or rough idling, for example. That is the two easiest and, let's say, most basic symptoms you'd find.
Okay.
Signs you'd find.
Do you want to show me where the engine light is?
Let's quickly go to the driver's seat there.
Okay.
So, we switch on the vehicle. We have the yellow light on the side here, which is the engine light. And in cases where we start the vehicle and for any reason have engine light and rough idling.
So essentially, now I'm seeing this light, what's the next move that I make?
Next step would be if you can take it to a qualified mechanic, they would use an OBD tool to plug into the vehicle and then obviously monitor for some fault codes. There is a couple of different fault codes that you'd find.
So for someone like me who doesn't know all these codes, maybe could you give me a look under the bonnet and see what I'm looking at exactly?
On this vehicle, ignition coils are situated right on top here.
So Charles, now that I know where they are, maybe you could show me how to fix it in case I need to repair one. I've actually got a toolbox handy that can help us.
Bring it, let's see. In this case, you'd need a 10 spanner. So we need to remove the negative battery terminal.
Once.
Okay, so by removing the coil, you can take the spanner, install it on the bolt head there.
Okay.
Then turn it anti-clockwise direction.
Okay. So you should probably look for a mechanic that doesn't have very long nails.
With the bolt being removed, you can unclip the connector and remove the coil. So we do have a replacement coil for the vehicle here. So we can take the coil, install the coil.
Once again,
put the
bolt back in.
Tighten the bolt. Plug the connector back.
One last step over there. Thank you.
Okay, so we will put the battery terminal back on. Make sure it's on properly, and then we. That's perfect. Let's go around. Quickly give it a start. We'll find that we don't have an uneven idle anymore. We still, however, do have an engine light, so it would be advised if you go to a qualified mechanic just to monitor and make sure everything is fine.
Thank you so much for your help today, Charles.
It's a pleasure.
Well, take it from me, it is that simple to really understand your ignition coil so that you can start your car to help you keep on driving.